Every milestone begins with a single step, and ours began 5 years ago. Our journey, built on vision, driven by innovation. In 2020, we began production at our iron and steel factory. Since then, we've contributed over 250,000 tons of high-quality steel products to landmark projects. In 2021, we were accredited by the Nuclear Regulatory Authority of Turkey to manufacture nuclear-grade safety class components, marking the beginning of our specialized journey in nuclear manufacturing. 2022 witnessed the launch of our pipe fabrication workshop, designed for the production of advanced connection systems. That year alone, we delivered 1,500 tons of critical components to the project site. By 2023, we reached our peak annual production capacity, processing 75,000 tons of iron and steel products within a single year. In 2024, we completed all operational modules of Otis, our proprietary ERP software, developed entirely in-house to streamline and elevate every stage of our operations. Today, we proudly say, we are 5 years strong, and the journey has only just begun.